Mastering the art of managing money is similar to navigating an unexplored jungle filled with potential threats to your bank account, from fees and brokers to volatility and taxes. In this video, we will explore the book Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. The author Robbins has conducted interviews with some of the most renowned investors of our time and presented their invaluable advice and insights. Robbins firmly believes that having the right role models is important for success in any endeavor. Let's explore the 5 takeaways of the wisdom he now shares after learning from these exceptional individuals. Takeaway number 1. Climbing towards your financial freedom. Imagine your financial journey as a mountain climb, consisting of 2 distinct phases for acquiring wealth. First, there's accumulation phase, where you diligently save and invest your money to build a critical mass. Then comes the second phase, the decumulation phase, during which you start to withdraw money. The ascent to financial freedom comprises of 5 levels, with the peak symbolizing the ultimate achievement of wealth building. Each level represents a base camp along the way. The first level, financial security, is attained when your portfolio is substantial enough to cover all essential expenses like food, housing, and utilities. Next is the second level, financial vitality. This is reached when the basic expenses are covered with some extra for other desires like entertainments, gifts, and travel. Moving forward is the third level, financial independence, which comes when your passive income fully supports your current lifestyle. Then comes the fourth level, financial freedom. And finally, you reach the pinnacle, which is absolute financial freedom, where your dream lifestyle is sustained by investment income. I encourage you to calculate how much you need to accumulate for achieving financial independence. As Napoleon Hill wrote in Think and Grow Rich, clarity is power. When your mind knows a concrete number, your conscious efforts will pave the way to get there. You can estimate this number by multiplying your current monthly expenses by 12 and then multiplying that result by 20. However, reaching this goal won't happen by chance. As the saying goes, the man on top of the mountain didn't fall there. It requires a well-thought-out plan and consistent effort to ascend the financial peak you desire. Takeaway number 2 is reaching the peak faster. Embarking your financial journey requires a significant decision to go beyond being a mere consumer and become an owner or investor. With the right guidance, anyone can ascend the mountain of financial success. Here are the 5 pieces of advice to expedite your climb. First advice is to save more. The age-old wisdom of pay yourself first holds the key to achieving financial freedom. It's not about how much you earn, but what you manage to keep. The author Robbins recommends saving money where you won't readily see it. Whenever your earnings increase, set aside a predetermined portion. This prevents you from getting accustomed to the additional income and accelerates your savings. Second advice is to earn more. While there might be limits to how much you can save, the potential to earn is virtually limitless. The secret lies in providing greater values to others than anyone else. Remember, you're not paid for your time alone. It's the value you contribute that matters. Third advice is to reduce fees and taxes. Fees and taxes act like burdensome backpacks on your way on top. Small percentages might seem negligible, but over time, they can make a significant impact. Go for passively managed investment products to minimize fees. While taxes are inevitable, you can still find ways to reduce the expense, such as utilizing tax-deferred accounts and employing tax harvesting strategies. Fourth advice is to get better returns. Based on insights from investors in the book, 4 dominant principles were dominant. Avoid losses. Take calculated risk for potentially higher rewards, diversify, and never stop learning. To explore deeper into enhancing your returns, consider exploring resources like summaries of books like Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Fifth advice is to change your life and lifestyle. Among all efforts, one major decision holds major significance: where you choose to live. For US citizens, the discrepancy in income taxes between states can be substantial. However, it's also important to consider the cost of living in other countries. Countries like Sweden might be more expensive compared to the US, while others like the Philippines or India could offer a significantly cheaper lifestyle. By implementing these strategies and making informed choices, you can accelerate your journey to financial success and reach the summit of financial freedom with greater speed and confidence. Takeaway number 3, building your all-seasons portfolio. Complexity can hinder execution, and when it comes to investment, successful execution surpasses knowledge every single day. Therefore, most investors benefit from a straightforward and easy-to-understand asset allocations in their portfolios. Ray Dalio's All Seasons portfolio fulfills these criteria, providing not only protection from various economic environments, but also from our own tendencies. But how does his portfolio work? Ray Dalio identifies 4 economic climates based on economic growth and inflation rates. Different assets such as stocks, corporate bonds, commodities or gold, inflation-linked bonds, and treasury bonds perform relatively better in each of these conditions. While we can't predict the future market, we can create a well-balanced portfolio where 25% of the risk is allocated to each of these economic quadrants. This way, we can become less dependent on predicting market movements and thrive regardless of what the future holds. To achieve this balanced allocation, Ray Dalio suggests the following distribution: 40% in the long-term bonds, 30% in stocks, 15% in intermediate bonds, and 7.5% each in gold and commodities. By adopting the All Seasons portfolio, you significantly increase the probability of smooth ascent to the peak of financial freedom. It offers a strong approach to investment that is easy to comprehend and implement. Takeaway number 4, earning is the result. Imagine a scenario where someone has invested 100% of their savings in stocks for a whole decade. Now, at the age of 65 and on the brink of retirement, they have managed to accumulate $500,000, which should be sufficient for a comfortable retirement if the market remains favorable. However, just 2.5 years into their retirement, they face a harsh reality. More than half of the value of the retirement portfolio has vanished due to market downturns, worsened by the necessity of withdrawing money during the market slump. This scenario highlights a common issue that many people encounter as retirement approaches. They may have climbed a considerable way up to the mountain of financial freedom, perhaps even reaching financial independence. But when it's time to descend and enjoy the fruits of their labor, market fluctuations can significantly impact their financial security. During the journey back down, it's not just the value of assets that matters most, it's the income or earnings that they generate. The author Tony Robbins suggests a solution for a smoother ride. Consider an annuity. Unlike an investment, an annuity is a risk management tool. By entering into an agreement with an insurance company and paying them a lump sum, you receive a guaranteed income, often for the rest of your life. The advantages of an annuity include a steady income stream that surpasses what you could expect from fixed income securities. It provides a known and guaranteed income, which offers a comfortable retirement, and you won't outlive this income. However, there are some cons to consider. Annuities are only as reliable as the insurance company offering them, so diversifying across multiple insurance companies is wise. If you pass away early, you may not receive the full benefit, as any remaining payments go to the insurance company. The reason annuities can offer high income streams lies in pooling the annuities together with others, and the insurance company relies on average mortality rates. So, when planning for retirement, focusing on generating a steady income becomes crucial. An annuity can be a valuable tool to ensure financial security during your golden years. Takeaway number 5, enhancing happiness through spending. While money might not directly buy happiness, there are scientifically proven ways, as outlined in the book, Happy Money: The Science of Smarter Spending, to improve well-being through how we spend our money. Here are the 3 strategies. First strategy is to invest in experiences. Instead of accumulating more possessions, consider spending on experiences like traveling or learning a new skill. These moments create lasting memories and a sense of fulfillment. Second strategy is to buy time for yourself. Money can transform how we utilize our time, and by outsourcing tasks we dread or automating certain aspects of our lives, we free up time to focus on our passions and activities that bring us joy. Lastly, the third strategy is to invest in others. Giving money to others actually contributes to our own happiness and fosters a feeling of abundance. Surprisingly, this act of giving may positively impact our overall financial well-being in the long run. It's not about the amount of money spent, but rather the intention behind how we chose to spend the money. Incorporating these principles into our spending habits can lead to a more fulfilled and content life, adding value beyond the material possessions money can buy. Remember, achieving financial freedom requires planning, discipline, and perseverance. Seek guidance from successful role models and learn from their experiences to advance your financial journey. Regularly assess your progress, adapt strategies as needed, and stay open to learning from both successes and setbacks. Embrace the power of knowledge to make informed financial decisions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to check out more of our videos about journeys in making more money. We'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and stay financially informed.